Hey guys, I have here 2022 Cadillac Escalade. So there is like 1, 2, then 3 the other one. So total of 4, 7 mil that you have to remove. So all you need to do, all you need to have is a pry tool, a plastic pry tool, and a flat screwdriver to remove those cover for the 7 mil. And this one, I'm holding a plastic pry tool, so I start in the bottom just to pop out one clip. Once you pop out 1 or 2, it's gonna go all the way. It's just continue popping out the door panel. Once that thing is out, there you go. It's so easy now. You can remove your door panel. So pull it out and push it up. See, I'm pushing it up a little bit. There you go. That's how you remove the door panel of your 2022 Escalade. This is the platinum one. Yeah, there you go guys. And I was gonna show you the clips that's holding your, there you go. Some of them stay there, and then yeah, that's it.